Welcome to Koh Lanta, Thailand.
Viaggiare in Thailandia in tuk tuk tuk. Viaggiare in Thailandia in tuk tuk tuk.
Today I want to show you this amazing vehicle, the Thai Tuk Tuk. Renting one in Thailand is not easy because officially they are illegal. So I want to give you some tips on how to ask for it and how to use it, because it's definitely not that simple. It's not easy to drive, mainly because it has rear-wheel drive only. And tuk-tuks in Thailand are illegal, but you can still rent them. And to do that, you need to say that you've already driven one before. I had a hard time finding any tutorial that really explained how to drive a tuk-tuk. First of all, they are usually 100 or 125 cubic centimeters. The strangest thing about a tuk-tuk is that it has gears but no clutch. Look here, I'll show you. There is no clutch. The gear lever is down here. It has 4 gears. First gear is pushed forward and down, then second, third and fourth. To downshift, you use the heel of your foot. When you change a gear, you have to do it as if you had a clutch. You accelerate, slightly release the throttle while changing gear, and then accelerate again. Here you have the rear brake, and here the front brake. Let's start the engine. As you can see, here is first gear, then second. One important thing to know, when I rented it, I said I had already driven one before. I contacted many car and motorbike rentals on WhatsApp, but nobody wanted to rent it to me. So in the end, I simply said that I already knew how to ride it. Say that you can drive it, I'm here to explain it to you. Because when I arrived, I actually didn't know how to drive it at all. When you ride it, especially when you accelerate, because there is only one driven wheel, the tuk-tuk tends to pull to the left. So you need to counter steer slightly to the right. It's not very strong. It mostly happens when you accelerate hard. For example, uphill. When you're going uphill and you downshift and then accelerate again, it will pull to the left. So just keep it slightly to the right. The opposite happens when you brake, especially downhill. It tends to go to the right, so you need to steer a bit to the left. In corners, it's not difficult, because it's not fast. Even if someone is sitting in the sidecar, it's not a problem, and it won't tip over, but you should always ride slowly. When I rented it, I paid a lot of attention to potholes, because in Thailand, there are many. With 3 wheels, it's impossible to avoid all of them. At first, I tried to avoid potholes with all 3 wheels, but that's impossible. In the end, I realized that you only need to focus on the motorbike wheels and basically ignore the sidecar wheel. The rental price of a tuk-tuk in Thailand usually starts from around 400 baht per day and can go up to 600 baht. This one is almost new, so I paid about 600 baht. Also, because I couldn't find anyone else willing to rent it. Anyway, it's a lot of fun. And of course, wearing a helmet is recommended. If I think of anything else, I'll write it in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and enjoy this beautiful scene. To start it, you need to press the front brake, then it starts. You accelerate and it moves forward. So, my cameraman, shall we go for a ride on this amazing tuk-tuk? You need to downshift when going uphill. Right now I'm in 3rd gear, even though I'm riding slowly, and it's fine. When going uphill, it's important to move a bit of your weight forward. Otherwise the wheel can lift slightly. One last thing. Very important. When you stop, always leave it in 1st gear. It won't move forward because the gear blocks it, but it can roll backwards. So put a stone behind the wheel, always park facing uphill, so it tends to go forward. Otherwise, you might find it in the middle of the road.
Okay? Good. Viaggiare